Beef kofta kebab. Let's cook it. Add 1 tablespoon coriander seeds. Add 1 tablespoon cumin seeds. Add 4 to 5 cardamom, 2 pieces jayetri, 12 to 15 pieces white pepper, 3 to 4 cloves. Grind it to powder. I took 500 grams ground beef. Add 1/4 cup sliced onion. Add 1 tablespoon minced garlic. Add 1 tablespoon chili flakes. Add salt as per taste. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Grind them together for 3 minutes. Add the spice mixture with the meat paste. Add 1 slice of bread. Mix them for 2 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander. Mix them well. Shape the kebab with your hand. You can shape it like this, it's ideal for shallow fry. Use 1/4 cup oil. You have to fry each side for 3 minutes. Brush with oil occasionally. Make sure to fry the kebab in medium heat. Now it's time for vegetables. I use the same oil from kebab. Add some pepper and salt as per taste. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's time to make our sauce. First take 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Now add 2 tablespoons tomato sauce. Add 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Add 1 tablespoon mustard sauce. Add 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Mix them until the sauce becomes smooth. Now let's serve them. Looks very delicious. You should definitely try this recipe at home. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this.